Here's the simplest guide to achieving your goals in 2026, broken down in 2 simple steps. Step 1. Make your goals input-based. Most people go wrong on this very first step. They'll pick a goal which is output-driven. For example, I want to lose weight, or I want to get a new job, or I want to start a side hustle. This is too vague and not actionable, so instead, convert it into an input-based goal. For example, I want to lose weight becomes I will go gym 4 times a week and meal prep twice a week. I want a new job becomes I'll apply to at least 1 job per week. I want to start a side hustle becomes I will spend at least 1 hour a day on my side hustle. Once you're clear on the target, it's time to start shooting the arrows. This is where step 2 comes in. Track your daily habits. As the saying goes, you become what you measure, and you're the sum of your daily habits. So take your input goal and break it down into daily actions. Now, it doesn't matter how you do this. You can either go old school and use pen and paper or go digital. This is the one I've created for myself. If you'd like a copy, the link is below.
Their interests or pursuits, but there's a difference between your main mission and side quests. Your mission should be your top priority, something you think about and track on a daily basis, and everything else should be secondary. And here's the thing, your main mission often becomes the key domino that positively impacts other areas of your life. For example, I know from experience that if I go gym 4 times a week, I will naturally end up eating cleaner and sleeping better. And that's why I only need to track a few main missions to cover as much ground as possible. And if you do this consistently every single month, then by the end of the year, you will become a completely different person.